नमस्कार, मैं विक्रम और आप देख रहे हैं जर्नलिस्ट यूपी लाइव न्यूज। देश दुनिया की तमाम बड़ी खबरों को देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को तुरंत सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट बॉक्स में अपनी अमूल्य राय जरूर दें। आइए आपको दिखाते हैं इस वक्त की सबसे बड़ी खबर।
सऊदी अरब में पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ बोल रहे थे ओवैसी, तभी निशिकांत दुबे का नाम लेकर कुछ यूं हंस दिए। दरअसल सऊदी अरब में पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ ओवैसी एक भाषण दे रहे थे। इस दौरान उन्होंने निशिकांत दुबे का जिक्र किया और जोर से हंस पड़े।
Pakistan gives out a wrong message to the Arab world and to the Muslim world that we are a Muslim country and India is not a Muslim country. But Your Excellency, you have more knowledge about worldly affairs, that there are 240 million proud Indian Muslims living in India. And not only that, our Islamic scholars are much better than any scholars in the world. They can speak the best of Arabic language. In fact, we have some famous Islamic scholars who have done great work in the Hanafi fiqh jurisprudence, and their judgments are accepted by the religious scholars of anywhere in the world. So this Pakistan's false propaganda that India is hurting us because we're a Muslim country, it is completely wrong. And in fact, Pakistan, if it stops these Takfiri terrorist groups, there will be stability in South Asia, there will be progress in South Asia. And Pakistan has put obstacles even in the SARC. India wanted a bilateral railway agreement between all the SARC countries. India wanted Bangladesh, India train, but Pakistan has always not allowed it. So we hope that our delegation, which is here on this purpose to request you to bring to your light what Pakistan has been doing in India, and this false propaganda of Pakistan that they have this great military prowess and nothing like that. What happened on the 9th, their 9 air bases were targeted. If India had wanted, we could have completely damaged those air bases, but we wanted to show them a mirror and say that, look, we are warning you, don't do it. Don't force us to go on that path, wherein instead of creating a crater, we'll create graves for you. But 9 terrorist organizations' headquarters were targeted, and another shocking thing was this person who led the namaz-e-janaza of all those terrorists who were killed over there. The namaz-e-janaza was performed by a person who's again a designated US terrorist. And in namaz-e-janaza you have these proscribed organization members along with the Pakistani army. So this is a clear proof, and this TRF, which is a new name for LET, we had gone to the United Nations not once, 4 times, and told the United Nations Sanction Committee 1624 that this is a new name of this terrorist organization. We said this in December 23, we said this in now May 24, and unfortunately our fears had come true, and we lost 26 young people. A girl who got married 6 days ago became a widow on 7th day. So these are all tragedies which we have been facing. So for us, this is not a matter of to do politics. Yes, when we go back, we'll be opposing BJP, we'll be opposing Niशिकांत Dubey tooth and nail. But here, this is a matter of security of our country, integrity of our country, and we would request the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia also that you have faced terrorist acts in May 2003. And 8 years ago at Aramco, so we hope that, and also you know very well that the Ulema Council of Saudi Arabia have given a fatwa against terrorism. In that fatwa, they have clearly stated that financing of terrorism, you are complicit in the terror act. We hope that the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has stood with us, and we